Here we can see this is another keychain. We want to make it using the 3D printing. For that, we want to make the 3D file of this keychain. Since here it is shown Oxford NC Lab, we are not printing Oxford because it is very tiny, so it is very difficult to print in 3D printing. Even though it can be printed, but it is too time consuming, not time consuming, it is too difficult to print actually. It is very too small. So we are doing an MC lab. MC lab only we are doing in a round keychain, round shaped keychain. To do that, we are using a 3D software called Solid Edit. Start with solid part. Create a new file using solid part. Before doing any further, we are just saving this file. Click OK. Same in desktop. One folder we are saving as MC lab and saving as part document. Save. So before doing anything else, we have saved the file from the beginning itself, so there is no risk of losing at mid of crashing in the software. So when you look into the dimensions of this drawing, you can see the 40 mm dia is the major dia of this keychain, and the thickness is here it is 4 mm, and the mid surface it is 2 mm, and 0.5 projections of the test on the both side. And here you can see here this dimension is not given properly, but even though this is a 2 mm projection from the 40 to inside, that is making it is a 36 dia inside. And after that there is a dia 3 mm hole here for the keychain loop. So here we are starting with this drawing. Here we are using the sketch command. Sketch, we are picking the top plane or called XY plane. Here we are making a circular dia, that dia 40 mm, that is a major dia of this keychain, and we are using offset command 2 mm to inside inside this one. So again we want to make the whole circular cutout, that we are making again using another circle and using at here dimensions we are mentioning dia 3 mm. This location we are mentioning, even though this location is not mentioned in this drawing, but approximately we are considering it will be around from mid around 15 as I believe. So approximately we are giving this dimension 15. So and finish the sketch. So we finish this basic sketch what we required. So we are using a protrusion command. Instead of coordinate plane, we have changed select from sketch, chain, inside one circle, outside one circle. So we are making the rib of outside rib first. Click OK. Selecting symmetry. Total dimension of 4 mm of thickness. Click finish. You can see here the outside ribs are being made. We want to make the inside flat surface. Again using the protrusion command, inside one circle and the circle, and click OK. Again symmetric, total dimension of 2 mm, and finish. Here this has been made. From here onwards, only we want to make this MC and lab. Again the same font we are using for MC. This is impact font, and lab also we are using impact font. Here going sketch, choosing the flat surface, insert, plus profile, typing MC, changing the font to changing the font to impact. Dimension approximately 15 I'm giving. We check it if it is okay or not. Approximately 15 is sufficient, I believe. So you're placing MC here approximately. Then again insert test profile. Now we want lab. Again font it is impact, not bold. The size I believe it will be around 4 mm. That will be sufficient. Spacing I'm giving 1 mm. This is a little bit small, so we are editing again. So this first will be keep 5, spacing 1, okay. And see that one is whatever you're seeing, this is picture only. If you return, you can see NC and the test has been added. Finish. So using the protrusion command, chain, we are selecting this one and this one. Both we are selecting and clicking OK and the projection of 0.5 mm and finish. So we made MC lab on the one side. Same process will be repeated on the back side of or the other side of the keychain. Sketch, select the plane, insert test profile, again MC, again the font, impact, dimension 15, we're placing MC approximately at the same location. Then again test profile, lab, impact, spacing 1. So earlier one what we made it is test 2. We are just hiding it to avoid some or misconception whatever already open. So protrusion, select both sketch test and click OK at 0.5. Finish. And here you can see one R1 fillet here. You can see here to add that one itself. We are using the round command 1 mm, selecting this inside address here. Here also, and click OK, preview, finish. And if you look at closely, you can see the outer side is also having a 1 mm fillet. Same here, around. We're using click OK, preview, finish. And the sketches will hide. And planes also will hide. If you go here, you can see that accordingly this sketch we made sold about it. So this is sufficient. The test also we are avoiding because of it is too tiny, it is difficult to print. While we try to print at the first place, it is very difficult and it is not shown properly. It is too small to print. So we are doing things here already. Then save the file. Again, save as to STL for our saving to the 3D printer. Conservation point 0.025, tolerance unit and millimeter, surface plane 45 degree, outside ASCII, click OK. STL file, save.